Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to import an ical file onto your Google Calendar. First, we will log on to Boxer Online, which I've already done here, and then we're going to click on the Student Planning tab. After that, you're going to click on to Go to Plan and Schedule right here, and then this is what you're going to see. After that, we're going to click on to Save to ical, and that will download the calendar file onto your computer. Then log on to your Google Calendar. I am using my school one, so it's easier. This is what it's going to look like, but I will turn it off to show you how you will get there. So first you're going to click onto Settings, click on Settings, scroll all the way down here to Import and Export, and then you're going to click Select File from your computer. And when you do that, just find your file. Usually it says Schedule 2023, so we'll look for that. Looks like it's right here, and then we're going to click Open. And then after that, you will click Import. Since I've already downloaded this onto my Google Calendar, I don't have to do that again, but I'll show you again what it looks like. This is what it looks like on a monthly basis, and you can change it to a day, to a week, and so on. So yeah, that's how you download a calendar file from Boxer Online.